Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a topic that has the power to transform our lives. We all face struggles at different points in our journey, but true strength shows up when we face our challenges head on. So today's topic is how to overcome your doubts and understand your true potential. Body. When we think about our goals, we often hold ourselves back by saying, I can't do this. This is a common fear, but what you need to understand is that the real strength comes from stepping out of your comfort zone. The way you think is the most important thing. If you fill your mind with positivity, every day can be better. The most successful people in the world are those who understand their limitations and turn them into advantages. Let's talk about a real-life example. Real-life example. Steve Jobs. When he was kicked out of his own company, he didn't let go of his dreams. He turned his failures into learning opportunities. And it was those very failures that reshaped his life. You too can turn your mistakes into your greatest teachers, always pushing you forward. Conclusion. So start looking at your life from a new perspective. Try turning your fears into your strengths. And most importantly, never let go of your dreams, because as long as you keep trying, you're never truly failing. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe.